Speaker of Parliament Chamal Rajapaksa says that the members of the committee appointed by him are responsible solely and exclusively to him as a Speaker, and added that no person or institution outside Parliament has any authority whatsoever to issue any directive either to him as Speaker or to members of the committee appointed by him. The Speaker made this statement in response to a privilege issue raised on the Parliamentary Select Committee earlier in the day, which is examining the impeachment motion brought against the Chief Justice. Delivering his ruling on the matter this evening, the Speaker noted that notices issued on him as the Speaker of Parliament and on the members of the Select Committee appointed by him have no effect whatsoever and are not recognised in any manner. The Speaker noted, quote, "I declare that the purported notices issued to me and to members of the Select Committee are a nullity and entail no legal consequences," unquote. Chamal Rajapaksa also said that the established law in this regard was executively surveyed by former Speaker, the late Honorable Bandaranaike, in his historic ruling delivered on June 20th, 2001. The Speaker added that this ruling clearly outlines that matters concerned fall within the exclusive domain of Parliament and that no intervention in any form by any external agency is consistent with the established principles of the law and is therefore to be rejected unreservedly as an unacceptable erosion of the powers and responsibilities of Parliament. Speaker Chamal Rajapaksa concluded that the above ruling will apply to any similar purported notice, order or determination in respect of the proceedings of the committee, which will continue solely and exclusively under the authority of Parliament. Yesterday, notices were served on the Speaker of Parliament and on the members of the Select Committee appointed by the Speaker on the 14th of November to inquire into allegations against the Chief Justice. The Speaker and the members of the Select Committee were cited as respondents in these proceedings. Now, earlier in the day, the Leader of the House, Minister Nima Siripala de Silva, raised a privilege issue concerning notice being issued by the Supreme Court, naming the members of the Select Committee in question and the Speaker of Parliament as respondents.
අග්‍ර විනිශ්චයකාර ධූරයෙන් ඉවත් කිරීම සඳහා ආණ්ඩුක්‍රම ව්‍යවස්ථාවේ ප්‍රතිපාදනයන් සහ පාර්ලිමේන්තුවේ ස්ථාවර නියෝගානුව ඔබතුමා විසින් විශේෂ කාරක සභාවක් පත් කිරීම.
The Parliamentary Select Committee, which was appointed to consider the impeachment against the Chief Justice, was created in accordance with the Constitution as well as Parliamentary standing orders. This was approved by Parliament as well. I would like to point out that your appointment of the Parliamentary Select Committee cannot be challenged in any manner outside the Parliament, be it through the Constitution, standing orders or any other law in the country. I would also like to note that the PSC appointed by you should act according to the guidelines and orders issued by you yourself and Parliament. No external party or court has the right to provide recommendations or orders with regard to how this committee should function. There is no legal provision for it. You, as the Speaker of this Parliament, you have a special responsibility to protect the sovereignty and integrity of this body. I also want to point out that you have a special responsibility to ensure the integrity and independence and sovereignty of members of Parliament and make sure that we are protected from any outside party that obstructs or intimidates the integrity and independence and sovereignty of members of Parliament. It is clear that in such a legal backdrop that neither you nor the members of the Parliamentary Select Committee are obliged by such a decision. As the individuals charged with the responsibility of protecting the independence, sovereignty and identity of Parliament should turn your attention towards this action, which poses a threat to parliamentary democracy, and provide a decision on it.
පාර්ලිමේන්තුවේ ස්වාධීනත්වය හා ස්වෛරී භාවය හා අනන්‍යතාවයත් ගරුත්වයත් ආරක්ෂා කිරීමට බැඳී සිටින ඔබතුමා පාර්ලිමේන්තු ප්‍රජාතන්ත්‍රවාදයේ සඳහා එල්ල වී ඇති මෙම ක්‍රියාකලාපය පිළිබඳව ඔබතුමාගේ අවධානය යොමු කොට මේ පිළිබඳව තීරණයක් ලබා දෙන ලෙස කාරුණිකව ඉල්ලා සිටිමි.